Hello, and welcome to our lesson on key issues in logistics and supply chain. This segment will discuss information sharing. Information technology and the latest communications devices significantly increase information sharing, coordination, and communication among companies and supply chain partners. According to many researchers and practitioners, sharing critical real-time information has been used to minimize the inventory in all stages of SC, make demand forecasts more realistic and accurate, and promote SCM's overall performance. According to one researcher, Shore 2001, the development of IT and communication in supply chain management can be divided into 4 phases. In the first phase, inter-organizational info exchanges traveled by fax and postal system. In the second phase, management focuses on automating info flows and eliminating various human-intensive data entry, as well as re-entry processes between suppliers and retailers. The third phase focused on a more integrative strategy through executing enterprise resource planning, ERP systems. In the fourth and last phase, an SC is characterized by strategic alliances of suppliers with extensive mutual information sharing flow. Gartner, 1999, defines information sharing as obtaining dynamic collaboration among business partners, customers, and employees throughout a trading community market. The capacity for companies, businesses, to morph, transform into whatever the requirements and needs of the market are involves more than only the business transactions, buy, sell, and auction events. The e-commerce's advantages are almost the same as those obtained through concurrent engineering in the 1980s, increasing market share, minimizing time to market, and quick responses, etc. The main differences between in-house concurrent engineering and e-commerce are pervasive info sharing, integrated processes, trust building, and cooperation among all supply chain partner companies across the board. The main possibilities for sharing information with supply chain partner companies include sales data, inventory, forecast and demand, production, product planning, order status, transportation, etc. They can be consolidated into 3 main categories: product information. Original exchange and sharing of product-related information with SC members was implemented through fax, catalog, some paperwork, etc. The primary issues caused by such exchanges included miscommunication, higher chances of error due to extensive human intervention, and delays in sharing information with the trading partners. As per several researchers and practitioners, usually, the exchange of data between the upstream, supplier, and downstream, retailer, doesn't tally match because of the convoluted processes and inefficiencies of manual entry. In addition, only using the latest technology without changing the business processes and proper training of employees, the system will work as garbage in, garbage out. Transaction information and customer demand serve as critical sources of information about future expected business, and such information is also used in demand forecasting, transportation planning, and production scheduling. Information of inventory. Inventory information includes the level, quantity of inventory decision models, and inventory requirements, all directly affecting the order placed with the supplier. On the other hand, it seems that information related to inventory is more sensitive than transaction information and customer demand, and the trading partner is usually almost unwilling to disclose it to other supply chain partners. For instance, producers may be reluctant to admit their actual inventory status level. They may share false inventory and sales data information to discourage competitors from manufacturing excess products or adding capacities to their system. Suppliers also may use sales and inventory data to achieve better negotiation leverage. Information sharing about inventory has been implemented in many forms. Continuous replenishment programs, CRP, and vendor-managed inventory, VMI, are practices usually adopted by 2 neighboring supply chain partners. In a typical relationship of CRP, the buyer shares his inventory data with the vendor and asks the vendor to adjust his inventory within a guideline. Apple Fritz Supplier Hub and Walmart's Retail Link program are excellent examples of sharing inventory information. Vendor-managed inventory system allows the producer to maintain retailers' inventory levels. The producer has full access to retailers' inventory systems, and generating POs, purchase orders, is the responsibility of the producer, not the retailer. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss developing collaborative planning activities. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.